Let's start and know how we can visualize our data or plot graphs. Or different type of graph. So again, we will start by importing our libraries, and the first library we want is Matplotlib. So import matplotlib.pyplot, uh, and we will import it as plt. Then we will import a style from matplot library, and after that we will say percentage matplotlib inline. This command helps you to get your graph in your own Jupyter notebook in which we are writing code. Otherwise the graph will get its own separate window, and we won't want that. And here's some dummy random data which I have created. These are some random values, and assigned to web customers in time hour. And now we will go and code to visualize this data. So we will use ggplot, and we will import it from our style library, which we have imported from again matplotlib library, which is used for visualization purposes. And then we will say plt.plot time hours and web customer. So this will give you a nice time hour versus web customer graph. The title of our plot will be people on website, and the x label will be hours, which is horizontally represented x-axis, and the y label, y-axis, will be the number of customer. And after this we will say plt.show and run this code, and we will get a nice graph which will show the relation between both the data. And that's how we visualize our data.